through. Right in the front of the house, you've got a secondary bedroom with its own ensuite. I love how it's at the front of the house. Anytime it's at the front of the house, you have so much more natural light pouring through, right? And then you've got a closet right behind you. It's just kind of your standard normal closet, right?
Yep.
But it does have its own ensuite.
It does, which is very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that is good. All right.
Now, here's where it gets a little tricky today.
Okay.
This is generally set up as a dining area,
Okay.
but they have set it up as a office. Let me tell you why.
Okay.
Because standard, it comes, like I said, as a dining area and a 2-car garage. But a lot of people these days want that 3-car garage. And so what they're doing is they're removing the study and adding that 3rd-car tandem garage and making this a study.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, so, like I said, it just depends on your needs. If you don't, maybe you need 2 offices, you could do that. You can make this into a home office, only have that 2-car garage, and then the office over here can be someone else's office. Now, they're working in there currently, so we're not going to bother them.
Yeah. Well, that's a good point, though, because we do have a lot of clients that would like to have 2 offices
yeah,
because they both work from home.
Here's the guest powder bath.
It's got everything you need?
Yeah, maybe you can just show them where the office would be.
Okay. So it would be
You can see that they're working in there, so we won't bother them. But
well, while we're at it, I'm just going to show this cool little spot here.
Absolutely. Love how they have the what are those
Shelves?
called? Shelves.
Yeah.
I'm like losing my mind.
I know.
Shelves. You have all your
I like
display.
the tile going all the way up. That's pretty.
What's this?
That is a fridge.
Never too much.
Hey, is that a snack closet behind you?
This is.
Possibly.
Well, you know what? They have one over on the other side, so maybe they have 2.
Snack closets.
Wow.
That's so nice.
3-bed island.
I love it.
You know, just your 5-burner.
Yeah.
Just a very functional kitchen. Right? Everything you want. It's got like your Keurig coffee station right here. It's got the plugs so you can do everything
Or,
you need.
we have other people who like the Nespresso too, so you could put your Nespresso right there.
I think people know what I'm talking about. It's like crescent wrench.
You're going to get people who are like, we are not Keurig people.
But if you want one of those ice makers like we have, you can put that over here so it's hidden. Right?
Oh, that ice maker.
Now, Patrice, because this has turned into like a Christmas themed video.
Which is weird because it's June.
I know. You would put maybe
small
one of those
tree.
skinny,
We have that.
we
have that one.
What is that? Dr. Seuss kind of tree?
But we have a 7-foot that would fit in there just fine.
I know. We have a couple trees.
Yes.
I love Christmas. All right. So here is your dining area.
Here it is. Look at how tall these ceilings are too. This is fantastic. But yes, this is your dining area. Go ahead, I'm sorry.
No, you're good. I love all the windows, but look at this.
It is amazing.
Look at this slider.
Yeah.
Takes up the entire wall.
It does.
And it opens all the way up, right? Now it's hot, I'm not gonna do that. That's one of the downsides to sliders in Texas is there's really only a few months that it's...
Hey, it's only in the 80s today. It's not bad.
No, I mean, but... Still. You know what, let's go out.
You wanna go out? All right.
Yeah, I'm not gonna open them all up though. Let's just go out.
Okay.
Because I love what they did here.
It is cool.
Definitely want you to put this on video so we can maybe use it as inspiration for our backyard.
I like how it drops down a little bit and it sits. That's nice.
Drops down, sits
Holy
down,
moly.
and
this
then
place goes all the way around.
Yeah, and I love how they made the space for your planner.
Yeah.
Right. So
beautiful.
This is just a great idea. Obviously, this doesn't come with it, but
yeah, but this is a corner, so you have a lot more space on down the side, obviously.
But standard depth, so you
yeah.
can kind of see the depth of the Is that natural grass over on the other side?
Yeah, it is. So you've got turf right here, and then the lighter green is natural grass. They've got this huge, I think they missed an opportunity with no refrigeration.
No refrigeration, no smoker,
Yeah.
no griddle.
Yeah?
There's a lot I would do here. You
Yeah, I
have
know.
the space to do so much.
Yeah.
Oh my heart. That's,
All right,
I don't want to.
let's go in and finish our
But
tour.
why would you not put all,
Turf
if
over
you're
there?
gonna put turf all the way? Why, now you're paying $30 a month to have someone come mow that.
Yeah, well, this is just the model, so. All right, let's go into the primary.
All right, you just want to know where you're gonna sleep.
Absolutely,
All
I gotta know.
Come on through, you're gonna love it. Look how big this room is. It's so spacious, right? You've got the vaulted ceilings, right? 4 windows, which pour in all that natural light.
It does have a lot of natural light, but it has an oddly dark feeling in here. I would put some more lights, puck lights up
Well,
there.
yeah,
and
it
stuff
doesn't
for
have any
sure.
lighting. It has this little light.
That
That's
little,
it.
yeah, it's got just that guy.
But,
So,
I mean, think about it. If these were
That-
blacked out, you would have no light at all,
yeah, you're right.
right? So, I mean, let's not blame the windows.
I wasn't blaming the windows, you weirdo. All
Again.
right. Oh, nice. Look at all that counter space.
Same person who designed the outdoor grill designed this.
No, but that's perfect. We need a lot of counter space.
Okay.
I do. Anyway.
All right. I mean, it's like one or the other, it seems like today, right? You have either no counter space or
Or too much.
Or too
Yeah?
much,
Okay.
right?
I'd rather have too much.
But what I love about this
That's pretty.
tub is it's all the way back. Right?
Still got to get your hand back there to clean it, though.
No.
Yeah.
No one's ever gonna see that. You can't.
Oh my
clean that.
goodness, are you kidding me? Look it. I'm gonna show everybody. See that space? You're gonna have to get back there to clean it.
Oh, come on.
Andy, you're scaring me.
I mean,
This
good
is,
size.
Yeah, this is great. I love the huge niche there. I love the way they did that niche, as a matter of fact.
Yeah.
Look at that. I'm gonna walk in here. They've got
See, it's a
this
two-person
nice little
ledge.
ledge, thank you, granite, and then they just kind of cut this spot out. I love it. That's
Yeah.
great.
But you're proving that this is a two-person.
I'm proving that.
Yeah.
Okay. But you know what? They've got a really nice closet in this one too.
All right, let's
I'm
check
gonna
it
go
out.
show this one. Look at this. It's got this cool little island, I guess you can say, and then it's got all kinds of space for things in here. As you can see, the stairs kind of go up around, but it gives
Is
kind
there
of
space over there, or
a little bit, not a lot, but I
Yeah, but
like
can you- oh,
it
no.
gives a really neat feel to it, I think. But this island has drawers.
This is the size island that they used to put in First Texas homes. You remember that?
Yeah, I do.
Way back in the day when we first got started, this
I
is the size
do.
kitchen island that you would have.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's go upstairs. You're gonna fall in love, Patrice.
Okay. All right, we're upstairs.
Now, you talk about giant. This room
Yeah.
is so big,
It really is.
right? I mean, huge ping pong,
Yeah.
and you can do everything you want.
You know, you
But I
don't
love
see ping pong tables much anymore, actually, so it's kind of nice. It's kind of a refreshing.
if we were
thing to
playing
see.
ping pong right here, the balls would be flying
Oh,
all
yeah.
over the place.
Yeah, well, you're not very good at ping pong. So.
Well, okay.
Kidding.
Let's let the world know.
Not that I am.
Yeah,
But I just
we
thought
don't
I'd.
play ping pong, so I mean. But look at this room, how big it is.
Yeah, it is nice. It's funny
Right?
when they put. I mean, these are big TVs, but these rooms are. Some of these rooms are so big, it makes the TV look so small.
They're not. I don't want to say wasting their money on projections anymore in models, it seems, but they have it set up and plumbed for it.
Yeah.
Right. So it's wired to do it.
Mm-hmm.
You've got your surround sound. This thing's got everything you want.
Yes.
Now let's go check out where the kids are gonna sleep.
Okay.
Come on through here. Look how big this room is. Everything's just
Wow.
kind of oversized in this model.
Hey, everything's bigger in Texas.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, including the secondary closet. This is literally bigger than the first closet that we saw
Yeah.
in the primary.
And the. Oh yeah. That is a good sized closet for this.
I mean,
Our daughter would
My
love that, or would have loved that when she was younger.
Yeah, the parents are gonna kill us because the kids are gonna want to fill that up.
Yeah.
And then this is the bathroom that they're gonna share. You've got 2 sinks, so you're not fighting over.
Mm-hmm. That's nice.
Right? It's got everything you want.
It does.
All right. Is this a linen closet?
Linen
Absolutely.
closet. Gotta have a linen closet.
Now look at this bedroom.
Okay.
This is Max. Right?
Cute.
He's got his Tonka toys, his truck.
Cute,
This
cute.
could have been my room as a kid.
Very
Not
nice.
as big, but still plenty big closet.
Yep.
Good sized room.
Cute.
Yep. Let's
I like
go
it.
on the other side.
Okay. All right.
Come on through.
Oh my gosh, this is kind of a little maze going on
Yeah.
here.
Another linen closet.
And now you made everybody wonder what is back there.
I said linen.
I know. I just want to show.
Oh.
And then I'm going to show this angle from, you've got this cute little opening right here that looks out onto the game room and downstairs. So that's kind of nice.
It is cool.
Mm-hmm.
And this one's got its own ensuite, so this is your favorite kid's room. Right?
Oh, it's got a big sink and everything in here.
Yep. It's got everything you want, and of course, a linen
Its
closet.
own linen closet. Okay, perfect. And then there it is from that angle. Very nice bathroom. It's big.
It's very good size.
Uh-huh.
And then the room is a little bit smaller
Yeah,
as the other two,
it's a cool bed.
but it has the bathroom, right? And the closet
That's a neat
is
bed.
big. Yeah, this is a cool bed.
I know.
So what do they call these? Like a day bed or something like that?
Yeah,
Sort of?
this one's similar, but it's more like a couch. I
It's
don't
like
know.
a couch with the bed inside
Yeah,
it.
the only problem with it is, like these tables are so much shorter that you can't like put stuff on them. Like, in your bed and you want to put your phone down and stuff. Anyways,
Yep.
you just put it on top, I guess.
Anyways, hey, if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're alerted every time I do a video. Whether it's Mosaic or anywhere in North Texas, you know who to call. Your real estate team, Andy, Patrice, we have got your back when it comes to all things Dallas, Texas real estate. Until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.